This is my reflection on Google Classroom and how I use it in the blended learning environment. So what I have here is my Advanced Health Google Classroom, and I use it as a supplement to my face-to-face classroom teaching. I also use it online as a way for students to post their thoughts, ask questions, catch up on events, essentially the same way that many teachers do Moodle, I use for Google Classroom. Now the reason I like Google Classroom is because it's very seamless, it's very simple to use. As you see here when I click this button, as the teacher, as the administrator, all I can really do is I've got these 4 options. I can create an assignment, create an announcement, create a question, or reuse a post. Now, essentially, that is why I like Google Classroom. It is very simple and it's very easy for students to navigate. They don't get lost with anything. So my main 2 purposes that I do is I create announcements and create assignments on here. Another thing that I use this for in class is having students post their thoughts as well. So you can see here that we recently watched a film, documentary, and the students are saying their thoughts on the film and what they thought about it. And there's a little bit of discussion going on between the students as well as you read through. And here's an example of something that I did in class. In my other artifacts, here is the fittest in the class activity. Now, see, this is my way of posting it online so that students can have access to this, okay? So it's essentially Google Classroom is a way for me to take my face-to-face learning and put it on the online environment where I can keep track of everything, where students can come back if they don't quite understand. They can reread about assignments, they can use the surveys, they can use essentially whatever they need, whatever I've posted, they can re-access, and that's why it's so good. So I use it mostly as a collaboration tool, as an organizing tool, and also it really helps my sanity as a teacher. It's a really great tool. Thank you very much.